In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to preserve those leading zeros in your spreadsheet entries. If you've ever found yourself a bit frustrated because you typed, for example, 0123 into a cell only to see it transform into just 123, you're definitely not alone. This is a common issue when working with spreadsheets, primarily because they are designed to handle numbers in a mathematical sense, which automatically strips any unnecessary leading zeros. But don't worry, I'm here to show you how to maintain those zeros just as you wish. First things first, let's begin by selecting the specific cells or entire column where you want to keep those precious leading zeros intact. Highlight them by clicking and dragging your cursor over the desired range. If you're dealing with a whole column of data, you can click directly on the column letter at the top, which will highlight every cell in that column for you. This is your starting point. Next, we need to adjust the format of these cells so they'll treat your numbers as plain text rather than numerical entries. Go to the top menu of your spreadsheet application, locate the Format tab, and click on it. This will bring up a drop-down menu. From here, navigate to the Number option, where you'll find several predefined formats to choose from. What we're aiming for is the plain text option. By selecting plain text, you're essentially telling your spreadsheet to treat everything you type into these cells as text, not numbers. This means it won't perform any mathematical functions or formatting alterations, giving you the reins to dictate exactly how your data should appear. Now, with your cells formatted correctly, you can go ahead and type your numbers, complete with any leading zeros you need, for example, 0 and 2, 3, and so forth. You'll notice right away that your entries maintain their original look, with zeros comfortably leading the way. This small but important change can be a real game changer, especially if you're managing data like product codes, phone numbers, or any other figures where the leading zero is crucial. Remember, formatting your data as plain text is a versatile solution that allows for more control over how your information appears and behaves, but it also means your data won't be treated as numerical values unless reformatted. So, should you need to perform calculations or other data manipulations, you might need to adjust the format again at that time. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to keep those leading zeros firmly in place where they belong. Whether you're organizing a complex data set or simply trying to keep things neat and orderly, this little trick can make your spreadsheets work just the way you want them to. Thanks for watching, and happy spreadsheeting.